I don't know exactly, but I was at a friend's house in Northport and I fell down a whole flight of stairs on July 18th. I also have Meniere's disease, which I got like 4 years ago, which is an imbalance in your ear and balance nerve, which sometimes makes you on off, which I'm usually okay, but I don't know, in the hot summer, maybe it was bothering me, a long week of work, I don't know, I don't recall. All I know is my friend said that I said I wasn't feeling good. She said, I'll get you water, don't move. I guess I moved, and I fell down the whole flight of stairs. And then 2 days later, I woke up at the hospital. I mean, I wasn't in a coma or anything, but I wasn't alert, I guess, for a few days. And I saw my son and my boyfriend, and they were just explaining that I fell down and I almost died, and I had this major surgery. I just saw a sign that said I had surgery by Dr. Rak, and I was in a hospital, and my boyfriend's name is Rak. It was the weirdest thing. So when I saw that, I thought it was a joke at first. But I just know that when I met him, I thought he had great bedside manner, he was great, he was sweet. Everybody said how great he was. And usually when you get surgery by someone, you usually get passed off to the other doctors. You don't usually see the surgeon that much after. I did go to my regular neurologist he wanted me to have a follow-up and tell him what happened to me. But I'd been seeing him. I was seeing him like every week, every other week until like now. I'm doing better. I have one more CAT scan and one more time to see him, and hopefully that'll be it. Connie, who works for him, is a doll. I like her so much. It's a very easy office, and you never have to wait long. They're all very nice. I had a serious head injury, and it affected me as a person. My balance was not good to start because of my Meniere's, and it's now made it worse. And I was very upset for the first few months, and I was on anti-seizure medicine up until about 2 weeks ago. Now I'm finally coming around a little bit. I don't want anybody to have to ever go through what I went through, but if they did, he saved my life. He's a wonderful doctor. He's a wonderful person. I really, really, really like him a lot. My son came with me to every visit, and he was wonderful to my son as well. When I saw Dr. Rak the last visit, he said, oh, you look great, and I saw another patient who went through what you did, and it makes my day to see somebody like you where you've come from what you started with, and it was so nice. We gave him a big hug, and I said, I'll see you one more time in a few weeks. But he saved me, he really did. I said to my girlfriend where I fell, I said, I know you sent me to Huntington because that's the closest hospital to you, but the one good thing about it is it ended up that Dr. Rak was there and did my surgery, and that's what saved me. I wish he was a regular doctor, that I could see him on a regular basis, Dr. Rak, but he's only a neurosurgeon, and I don't want to ever have dealing with a neurosurgeon again. But if I know if anyone ever does, I would definitely recommend him. He made me very comfortable after all I went through.